If Gmail is showing a 404 not found error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few quick and reliable fixes you can try right now. This usually happens because of a bad link, a browser issue, corrupted cache, cookies, or even a browser extension interfering with Gmail. The good news is, most of the time you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, try opening Gmail using the direct link instead of a bookmark or a shortened URL. Open your browser and go directly to https://mail.google.com/mail/u0/inbox. This is important because sometimes bookmarks get outdated or redirect incorrectly, which can trigger the 404 error. Once the page loads, see if Gmail opens normally. If it does, the issue may simply have been the link you were using before. If Gmail still isn't working, the next thing you should do is test it in Incognito Mode. Click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser, then choose New Incognito Window or Private Window, depending on your browser. In that private window, go to https://mail.google.com and sign in again. Incognito Mode helps you check whether the problem is being caused by your saved browser data, extensions, or a conflicting session. If Gmail works in incognito, that's a strong sign that your normal browser profile needs cleanup. Now let's clear your browser cache and cookies, because damaged or outdated browsing data is one of the most common reasons Gmail throws errors like this. Click the three dots again, go to Delete Browsing Data, and make sure you select Cookies and Cached Images and Files. You can usually leave other options unchecked unless you want to clear more data. Then click Clear Data. After that, close the browser completely and reopen Gmail again. This refreshes your session and often fixes loading problems right away. If the error is still happening, the next step is to disable your browser extensions one by one. Go back to the three-dot menu, open Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. Turn off anything that might interfere with Gmail, such as ad blockers, privacy tools, VPN extensions, script blockers, or mail-related add-ons. After disabling one extension, refresh Gmail and check if the problem is gone. If it still doesn't work, turn that extension back on and try the next one. This step is important because extensions can sometimes block Gmail scripts or cause pages to load incorrectly. As a final tip, if none of those steps solve the issue, try switching to a different browser or restarting your device, then open Gmail again using the direct link. In many cases, one of these fixes will get everything working normally again. The key is to go step by step so you can identify exactly what is causing the 404 not found error. And that's it. You now know how to fix the Gmail 404 not found error using the direct inbox link, incognito mode, cache and cookie cleanup, and extension troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tech fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.